Hangzhou Yongxing Chemical Fiber Company Limited, founded in 2001, is an innovative enterprise focusing on the rapid development of various functional fibers. The company has a professional development team, efficient development process, and special small and medium-sized development equipment from master batch addition, spinning, elastic and gray cloth for links, supporting 50 to 500 kilograms quality samples. The fastest 1 to 3 days out can meet the needs of rapid development of high-end brand customers. The company is located in Guoli Town, Jiaoshan District, Hangzhou Jiaoshao Textile Industry Center, 5 kilometers away from Hangzhou Shaoshang International Airport, adjacent to China Textile City, China Textile Procurement Expo City. Covering an area of 100,000 square meters, the production equipment covers Germany, Japan and domestic well-known brands with an annual production capacity of more than 150,000 tons, mainly producing polyester filament POY, FDY-DTY, which can meet the diversified needs of customers. At present, the development capability of polyester filament is in a leading position in the market. The company is still constantly improving the development capability and development speed of products and rich supporting development equipment. Thus, in the fierce competition in the market will be the development of efficiency to the industry to achieve the ultimate, so that the company's partners in the industry also maintain long-term superiority.